Welcome to my channel Natural Cures. Magnesium is one of the nutrients that are of great importance to human health, and when it is deficient in the body, a person suffers from several health problems. Magnesium is the fourth most abundant mineral in the human body. It plays many important roles in the health of your body and brain. However, we may not be getting enough of it, even if we are on a healthy diet. Here are 10 health benefits of magnesium that are proven in science and studies. 1. Magnesium is involved in hundreds of biochemical reactions in your body. Magnesium is a mineral found in land, sea, plants, animals, and humans. Magnesium. About 60% of the body's magnesium is found inside the bones, while the rest is found in muscles, soft tissues, and fluids, including blood. In fact, every cell in your body contains magnesium and it needs it to function. One of the main roles that magnesium plays is as a cofactor in the biochemical reactions that enzymes constantly perform. In fact, magnesium is involved in more than 600 reactions in your body, including energy generation, it helps convert food into energy. Protein synthesis, helps synthesize new proteins from amino acids. Gene maintenance, aids in the synthesis and repair of DNA and RNA. Muscle movements, plays a role in the process of muscle contraction and relaxation. Nervous system regulation, helps regulate neurotransmitters, which send signals through the brain and nervous system. Unfortunately, studies show that about 50% of people in the United States and Europe eat less than the recommended daily amount of magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that supports hundreds of chemical reactions in the body. However, many people get less of this mineral than they need. 2. Magnesium may improve exercise performance. Magnesium also plays a role in exercise performance. During exercise, you may need 10 to 20% more magnesium than your rest time, depending on the activity you are doing. Magnesium helps transport blood sugar to your muscles and gets rid of lactate particles that can build up during exercise and cause fatigue. Studies have shown that taking magnesium supplements can improve exercise performance for athletes, the elderly, and people with chronic diseases. In one study, volleyball players who took 250 milligrams of magnesium daily showed improvement in jumping and arm movements. In another study, athletes who took magnesium supplement for 4 weeks completed faster running, cycling and swimming during a triathlon. They also showed a decrease in insulin levels and stress hormones. Even so, the evidence is mixed. Other studies have not found any benefits of magnesium supplementation in athletes with low or normal levels of this mineral. Magnesium supplementation has been shown to improve exercise performance in several studies, but research results are mixed. 3. Magnesium fights depression. Magnesium plays an important role in brain function and mood, and low levels of this mineral are associated with an increased risk of depression. Winter depression. One analysis of more than 8,800 people found that people under the age of 65 who consumed the least amounts of magnesium were 22% more likely to have depression. Some experts believe that low levels of magnesium in modern foods may cause many conditions of depression and mental illness. However, others emphasize the need for more research in this area. However, taking a magnesium supplement may help reduce symptoms of depression, and in some cases, the results can be surprising. In a randomized controlled drug trial in elderly people with depression, taking 450 milligrams of magnesium daily improved mood just as well as an antidepressant drug. There may be a link between depression and magnesium deficiency. Taking this mineral supplement can relieve symptoms of depression in some people. 4. It has benefits against type 2 diabetes. Magnesium also benefits people with type 2 diabetes. Studies show that about 48% of people with type 2 diabetes have low blood magnesium levels. This could impair insulin's ability to control blood sugar levels. Sugar. Additionally, research indicates that people with a low intake of magnesium are more likely to develop diabetes. One study that followed more than 4,000 people for 20 years found that people with the highest intake of magnesium were 47% less likely to develop diabetes. Another study showed that people with type 2 diabetes who took high doses of magnesium every day, they experienced significant improvements in their blood sugar and hemoglobin A1c levels compared to the control group, a group of study participants who were not receiving their subject treatment. However, these effects may depend on how much magnesium you get from food. In a different study, taking magnesium supplements did not improve blood sugar or insulin levels in people without magnesium deficiency. People who eat the most magnesium are less likely to develop type 2 diabetes. Moreover, magnesium supplements have been shown to lower blood sugar levels in some people. 5. Magnesium can lower blood pressure. Studies show that taking magnesium can lower blood pressure. Blood pressure measurement. In one study, subjects who consumed 450 mg daily experienced significant reductions in systolic and diastolic blood pressure. However, these benefits may only be seen in people with high blood pressure. Another study found that magnesium lowered blood pressure in people with high blood pressure but had no effect on those with normal levels. Magnesium helps lower blood pressure in people with higher levels of it, but it does not seem to have the same effect in those with normal levels. 6. Has anti-inflammatory benefits. Low intake of magnesium is linked to chronic inflammation, which is a contributing factor to aging, obesity and chronic disease. In one study, children with the lowest blood magnesium levels were found to have the highest levels of CRP. They also had higher levels of blood sugar, insulin, and triglycerides. Magnesium supplementation can reduce CRP and other inflammatory markers in older adults, people who are overweight, and those with prediabetes. In the same way, foods high in magnesium, such as fatty fish and dark chocolate, can reduce inflammation. Magnesium has been shown to help fight inflammation, reduce CRP, and provide many other benefits. 7. Magnesium can help prevent migraines. Migraine is a painful and debilitating migraine. Motherhead sister. It often causes symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, sensitivity to light and noise, among those who suffer from them. Some researchers believe that people with migraines are more likely to have magnesium deficiency. In fact, some studies indicate that magnesium can prevent, and even help treat migraines. In one study, taking 1 gram of a magnesium supplement helped relieve the severity of an acute migraine faster and more effectively than common medications. Additionally, eating foods rich in magnesium may help reduce symptoms of migraine. People who frequently have migraines may have low levels of magnesium. Some research shows that taking magnesium supplements may help relieve migraine pain. 8. Reduces insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is one of the main causes of metabolic syndrome in type 2 diabetes. Insulin. It is characterized by an impaired ability of muscle and liver cells to properly absorb sugar from the bloodstream. Magnesium plays a critical role in this process, and many people with metabolic syndrome also suffer from magnesium deficiency. In addition, the high levels of insulin associated with insulin resistance cause magnesium to be excreted in the urine, which reduces the levels of magnesium in your body even more. Fortunately, increasing your magnesium intake can help combat insulin resistance. One study found that taking supplements of this mineral reduces insulin resistance and blood sugar levels, even in people with normal levels. Magnesium supplementation may improve insulin resistance in people with metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. 9. Relieves symptoms of the menstrual cycle. Premenstrual syndrome, PMS, is one of the most common disorders among women of childbearing age. Its symptoms include water retention, abdominal cramps, fatigue and irritability. Magnesium has been shown to improve mood, reduce water retention and relieve other symptoms in women with PMS. Magnesium supplementation has been shown to reduce symptoms of premenstrual syndrome in women. 10. Magnesium is safe and widely available. Magnesium is absolutely essential for good health. The recommended daily amount is 400 to 420 mg per day for men and 310 to 320 mg per day for women. You can get magnesium from food and supplements. Food sources. The following foods are good to excellent sources of magnesium. Foods rich in magnesium. Pumpkin seeds, 46% of the referenced daily intake, RDI, in 16 grams. Boiled spinach, 39% of the RDI in 180 grams. Swiss chard, 38% of the RDI in 175 grams. Dark chocolate, 70 to 85% cocoa, 33% of the RDI in 100 grams. Black beans, 30% of the RDI at 172 grams. Cooked canola, 33% of the RDI in 185 grams. Halibut, 27% of the RDI in 100 grams. Almonds, 25% of the RDI in 24 grams. Cashews, 25% of the RDI in 30 grams. Mackerel, 19% of the RDI in 100 grams. Avocado, 15% of the RDI in 200 grams. Salmon, 9% of the RDI in 100 grams. Dietary magnesium supplement. If you have a medical condition, consult your doctor before taking a magnesium supplement. Although these supplements are generally well tolerated, they may not be safe for people who take certain types of diuretics, heart medications, or antibiotics. Well-absorbed forms of nutritional supplements include magnesium citrate, glycinate, orotate, and carbonate. An adequate intake of magnesium is absolutely essential. It is found in many foods, and nutritional supplements that contain it are available. Conclusion: an adequate intake of magnesium is essential for maintaining good health. Make sure to eat plenty of magnesium-rich foods or take supplements if you are unable to get enough from your diet alone. Your body will not function properly without an adequate amount of this necessary mineral. Please subscribe and like and comment.